So I'm now going to tell you a story about how humans use compounds. And I think uh, we look at crystals and we look at the compounds and we look for their beauty in them. And then we look for uses, both beautiful uses and really stupid uses. So we're starting off with a picture of my crystal, which is beautiful to me. And let's find a use. So I used to live in Michigan. When I was in Michigan, you would hold up the palm of your hand and you would say, I'm from Ann Arbor. And in chat, can you see that my crystal looks a bit like the palm of a hand? So put that in chat. And if you are from Michigan, can you say what town? See that green tourmaline crystal is? Can you say what town that green tourmaline crystal is? To my eyes, it's Flint. And the reason I mention this is not because I want you to get my crystal to tell people where you are from in Michigan, but I just want to say that it actually makes sense. Our natural desire to find uses for things is right there in this picture. And to get a sense of the beauty, these same crystals can be found by Mother Nature here. And let's just pause for a second for how beautiful it would be to be in that cave in Mexico and looking at these crystals of selenite. Selenite being one of the crystals in my crystal too. Okay, so we have a sense of beauty for chemical compounds. It's in us naturally. And now let's get to a story of its uses. And the story of the uses I'm going to tell you about is about two crystals, orpiment and realgar. And you look on Wikipedia for these two. Realgar is red, orpiment yellow. And it'll immediately tell you the ancient Greeks used realgar. And whenever I see things like that, it always annoys me because ancient Greece is not even one of the oldest of the ancient civilizations. I bet you every ancient civilization discovered realgar and orpiment. And so I looked into a Chinese civilization, and yes, so it is true. In Chinese civilization, realgar is called, ancient Chinese civilization, realgar is called this. Realgar, and orpiment is called this. And I was feeling pretty good because I found out it was used, discovered before the ancient Greeks. But then, looking into it some more, I discovered that the following. Modern Chinese use realgar to make a wine. They put 50 grams of realgar in a liter and make realgar wine. And first, my reaction was, that can't be true. So I went on the internet, and it's absolutely true. You can buy this stuff. You can buy real realgar wine. You see the top one is in red, the wine, that's realgar. And the bottom wine is fake realgar wine because it's actually made with orpiment. And don't get too excited about that because both are horror stories, of course. Because, so let's see there. Did I tell you that realgar is an arsenic compound? It's As4S4. And orpiment is also an arsenic compound, As2S3. And the Chinese people are making nowadays with 50 grams of As4S4. Oops. And every 1 gram of realgar is 0.7 grams of arsenic. And do you guys know that arsenic is a poison? 100 milligrams of arsenic is enough to kill 1 kilogram of human. That's called the lethal dose. And so, what can we do with these? With this, we're going to learn about more things about proportionality. And here's something with 50 grams of realgar. It's a poison. How bad is it? So every gram of realgar has 0.7 grams of arsenic. Every gram of arsenic is 1,000 milligrams of arsenic. 100 milligrams of arsenic is enough to do away with 1 kilogram of human, and around 75 kilograms of human is 1 human. And the reason why I set it up this way is that, can you see that the AS4S4 is in the numerator, and there's a grams of AS4S4 is in the numerator, there's a grams of AS4S4 in the denominator, here and here, and numerators cancel denominators, so we cancel them. There's grams of arsenic here, grams of arsenic here, numerator, denominator, they cancel. Milligrams arsenic, milligrams arsenic. This is called unit conversion. This beautiful process where numerator and denominator units cancel. And you can see that the only unit left is humans. The only unit left is humans. So when you do the math out, the 50 times 1,000 divided by 100 times 75, you find out this is 350 humans. So the modern recipe of realgar wine, which you can buy, is enough to kill this entire webinar class.